I hope that you are ready for a new week of learning and growing together. Today, we are going to be doing some chaining.
Materials!
Go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Here we go. Here are today's learning targets. I can segment and blend CVC words with the sounds e, d, b, f. I can write the letters that match the sounds E, R, D, B, and F. And finally, I can read and spell vowel consonant and consonant vowel consonant words with the sounds e, ul, f, b, d, p, g, y, s, t, n, m, v, and w. Woo! Let's get started.
Transition song.
Sit down and come together, together, together. Sit down and come together, together right now. It's time to make 3 sounds and blend them together. Let's listen to each sound now and blend them to make a word.
Word work.
Now, we will make some words using sounds that we know. Let's take a look at this first one together. What could this word be? I'm going to tap it out to decode it. Ed. Red. That's it. Let's take a look at this next one together. Notice the first letter and then think about what sound it makes. Get your fingers ready and let's segment and then blend the sounds of this word. B-ed. Bed. You've got it.
Transition song.
Now it's time to match these sounds to their letters and write them. Now it's time to match these sounds to their letters. Let's go.
Writing.
Now, you will help me skywrite the letters as we match them to sounds. This practice helps us to write words on our own. Let's start with the word red. Ed. Red. Get ready to skywrite that word with me. Let's start with that letter R, which says Starting at that middle line, pull down, up, and over. And now, for that lowercase letter E, we start just below the middle line. Pull over, back, and around. And finally, you've been working on that D. You know that it starts like a magic C. Pull back and around, up and down. Let's tap out that word red one more time together. Ed. Red. Nicely done. Here's a word that has a chunk that's a lot like the word we just worked on. Bed. B-ed. Bed. Let's start skywriting that lowercase b. It's a tall letter, so we'll start at the top line, pull down, up halfway, and around. Another lowercase e. Pull over, back, and around. And finally, that lowercase d again. You're becoming experts at that letter. Starting like a magic C, pull back and around, up to the top line and down. Let's tap out the word bed one more time together. B-ed. Bed. Fantastic work with that skywriting.
song.
Now it's time to spell words using letter sound connections. Now it's time to spell words using the sounds that we know. For this next part of the lesson, you will need your piece of paper and your pencil, so have them close by. Watch and listen as I tap out the sounds in this first word. S and t. When I blend them together, what does that make? That's right, scent. Go ahead and write the word scent on your piece of paper. S, S, E, that's an E, N, T, T. Now that you have the word scent on your paper, let's tap out the sounds in this word and blend them together. S and t, scent. Okay, let's take a peek at our next word. What do you notice about this word? What has changed? That's right. This word starts with the letter T instead of the letter S. What part of this word has stayed the same? That second chunk, ent, that remains the same. So let's put all those sounds together to decode this new word. T, and tent. Nice. Go ahead and write the word tent below the word scent on your piece of paper. Starting with that lowercase t, pull down and cross. And then an E. Over, pull back and around. Starting at the middle line for an N, pull down, up, and over. And then another lowercase t. Let's tap the word out one more time. T, and t, tent. Great work, writers.
Closing reflection.
Let's take a moment to pause and reflect on what you worked on today that is helping you to become a stronger reader and writer. How does chaining help you to write new words? Today we were looking at words that have that short E sound, eh. As you are reading and writing today, continue to look for more words that have that sound. It is going to be a busy week of learning. I look forward to having you here with me again for our next lesson.